These disabled pieces of bacon, we go ahead and eat them.
So I tried to make breakfast, and yeah.
She made sticks.
Shut up.
Bacon sticks. I don't know what these are, but she eats them, so I ain't tripping.
That was supposed to be his.
Look. Bay skillet? Baby bay skillet. See how we form? Big bay skillet is? You got your sausage, you got your 2 pieces of bacon, and it's all in copacetic. Over here, you got baby bay skillet. You got 2 pieces of sausage that turned into 2 pieces of bacon. Literally, this is 2 pieces of bacon. This is not 1 piece of bacon. That's 2 pieces of bacon.
Those was my sausages. He took them.
Yeah, I'm doing her sausage because I fear for their life. They were slowly not dying or cooking or anything. They was just slowly over there like,
help me, help me.
Now that sausage is cooked. They cook on up. I don't know what the hell she had going on, but she need to stop this. Stop this white people eat. Fuckery in there, and I don't like it. We're gonna have us a toast today. I feel like a toast today.
I made my own coffee.
You act like she made it with no instructions.
I ain't need no instructions.
Oh, okay. You want coffee next time? You don't need no instructions, huh? I gotta make eggs. Yep, that's your bacon right there. It's all your bacon.
Freaking slide.
Hey, it's your freaking bacon. God. Eat your bacon. It's your bacon. Oh, I need to wrap it up the bacon. Let's go. Come in here. This Siamese twins been born.
Not Siamese twins. Hey, why does that sausage and bacon look like it's smiling?
Because it's happy that it's over in my skillet.
Shut up, big head.
Look at that. Sausage. Bacon. Golden! Niggas that don't know how to get in the kitchen. Oh, you went for a Rudy Reagan in 2019. All girls cooking niggas out that can't cook. They just oodles and noodles and cereal is not cooking. Y'all niggas better pick up one of them cooking books. Don't get one of them big ass cooking books where they want you to add salt and some other shit to your breakfast. That shit retarded. If you don't know how to make nigga breakfast by now, something wrong. I need everybody to just cut the shit. Just cut the shit.
Let me try my bacon. Try my bacon. Like I talked about. Look,
beautiful sausage.
Look how cute and she is golden brown. Yes. Yes, honey. How we making toast without the toast being down in the thingy dingy?
What do you want? We're cooking at the moment. What's your goddamn fault?
What just happened?
We're being summoned.
Why? They wanted to get baby?
Yep.
Okay. And is how he made his bacon. Is bacon? Her bacon. Is bacon? My bacon.
First bacon?
Good bacon. Turn the fire down, the fire's a little high.
What are you doing?
Okay, the camera's on you. Don't say nothing crazy.
I'm about to say a whole bunch of crazy men. I'm about to talk about Black Eyed Peas and a whole bunch of other people. Make a pancake, make a pancake. Make a pancake.
Where your daddy go? He's over here playing cooking all day. Everybody saw you cooking down here. Everybody asked for another video with you in it. Oh, look at the doggy. Oh, she doesn't have one. Sorry. That's not what your mommy just asked me to get you. To get you a whole one. Okay. Babe look like he just woke up.
Like hell. Over there.
Yeah. So what are we putting in there?
On an actual plate.
I will. Part 2 is coming, you guys.